Hey y'all, it's Jaila aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I am 2 weeks into wearing these super long spring twists, and if you want to see how I get my hair from looking like this to looking like this, okay, super fresh looking, like I just installed these, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification so you can know anytime I'm posting a new video. Let's get right into it. So real quick, if you're new here, hey, I went ahead and installed my own long spring twist. I will go ahead and link the video for this up in the cards above, and I want to show you how they're looking at the 2-week mark. So what I like to do is extend the longevity or the freshness of my hair by touching up the perimeter. So I went ahead and redid the back. I usually do the perimeter and I do my middle part. That way it gives the look of being fresher than the style actually is, and then you can get an extra couple of weeks out of it without it looking too old. So these are the ones that I have not yet touched, and you can see it just doesn't look as clean on this side of my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and touch up these 4 twists in an effort to make this style look a little bit more fresh. And the only thing that I'm going to use to retwist is my Shine and Jam. This is one of the 2 products that I used initially to install these twists. And we are going to reuse hair over here. So I'm literally just going to take this twist out. So this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just going to make sure that I gather everything that is supposed to be in this section. If you remember from my last video, I did not do square parts. I kind of free parted. Gonna add a little bit of that Shine and Jam to the roots. I'm just gonna reinstall this twist.
So if you want to know exactly how to install your spring twist, please go ahead and check out the video that I'm going to link above. I have an entire playlist as well of spring twist tutorials and videos all about spring twists, so you're not left in the dark, okay? I got you.
Halfway there, I'm gonna add that second piece in and continue twisting.
And if you like what you're seeing so far, consider subscribing to the channel. Go ahead and hit that red button. We are at 16K, almost at 16K and growing, so please go ahead and join us over here. We all family.
Okay, so that is our touched up twist, and as you can see, it looks a lot fresher than the one right next to it. So we are looking good to go. I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of these 4 twists that are on the perimeter, and then I'll come back to y'all to tell y'all how you can avoid all of this. All right, y'all, so we have finished touching up our hair, and look at the difference. She's looking brand new, okay? She's looking refreshed. We are going to top it off by swooping the edges, you know. I'm just going to take a little bit of it and put it on my perimeter, and we're gonna swoop. Nothing crazy, but we're gonna swoop. Okay, y'all, so this is what our edges are looking like. This is what our perimeter is looking like, and it looks so much better than it did. Finally, let me go ahead and tell you how you can keep your perimeter looking good, looking nice and fresh. It's very simple, it's very easy. Don't pull your hair back, okay? I pull my hair back for work a lot, so I usually put it in like a ponytail, or I'll pull it behind me, or I'll even just tie it up, you know, like take my hair and tie it in and out like that, especially since these twists are so long. Don't do that. That is what causes tension on your edges. That is why I'm getting the slippage that I got on my edges, and that is what's gonna make you have to retouch your hair sooner. So try your very best to avoid ponytail styles if you're looking to extend the longevity of your twist. If you're looking to keep that fresh look, just don't pull your hair back. So that is all I have for y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pics outside so y'all can see the new and improved twist. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.